Texas Medicaid Estate Recovery Program, or MERP. Yeah, if you ever buy or sell a house, you'll see a thing on there. It's like, are you trying to avoid a MERP lien? Well, basically what this idea is the government, they wanted to try to collect whatever amounts that they were paying out. This is a good idea, but basically it's this idea that the state of Texas is responsible to try to collect any amounts that were paid for Medicaid benefits, okay? And so after someone passes away, there's a MERP lien that's placed out there. You have about 60 days to claim any undue hardship or make any exception claims to the MERP lien. It's very important when you receive that notice of intent that you act upon that and make your claims to whatever property. Now, there are other strategies that I talk about below that you can try to use in probate court and stuff like that to avoid any type of recovery. But the key thing to understand about the Medicaid Estate Recovery Program is it only applies to assets that pass through the estate. In other words, non-probatable assets in the state of Texas as of 2018 do not have a MERP lien placed against them. They can pass through. So property that's passed through a living trust, property that's going to be passed through the transfer on death deed, and the enhanced life estate deed that we're going to talk about here in just a moment, or maybe a beneficiary designation on a motor vehicle, or beneficiary designations left on accounts, or beneficiary designations left on life insurance. None of those properties attach to the Medicaid lien. So understanding this key thing, it's because it doesn't pass through the estate. It doesn't pass through the estate, and it avoids the Medicaid Estate Recovery Program. Key thing to understand, and very important that your elder law attorney kind of keeps you up to date. And that's a lot of our structuring that we're doing, all those documents we're doing for you at the very beginning. It's to avoid that lien.